Welcome everyone to Free Web Programming. Web Programming is our YouTube channel where you can find different programming languages and tutorials on different programming languages, including Java, Python, C#, PHP, JavaScript, and many more. We also create tutorials on Selenium with Python and Selenium with Java. We cover web automation 100%. So if you are really interested in web programming, web development, full stack web development, web automation, Selenium with Python, Selenium with Java, and some other programming languages, then you are at the right place. If you are more serious, you can click on this link and get one of the best bootcamps in the world and one of the largest online school in the world. And when you use this link to get enrolled, you can get $500 discount. So just you can click on it, okay, and go to the website and you can get actually $500 discount. And if you are interested in cybersecurity bootcamp, you can just click here and you will get $250 discount from MIT. Okay, definitely the best cybersecurity engineering bootcamp from MIT, and you are getting $250 discount instantly. All right, and though we provide free programming tutorials, web development tutorials, web automation tutorials, at the same time, you can also learn from us one-on-one basis. Just email us on bossdevelopers.org. Okay. If you are visiting this YouTube channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe us, like, or make comments, positive or negative. We really appreciate. Okay, now we are going to show you how is Java syntax. In the last tutorial, or two other tutorials, we showed you how you can prepare your environment, how you can download and install Java software on your computer, and how you can download and install Eclipse IDE. Today, we are going to show you the Java syntax. Okay, let me open Eclipse IDE and let us create a new project, Java project. Go to new, then click on Java project. The name of the Java project is Java Fundamentals. All right, click on next, then click on finish, and Java Fundamentals project has been created. There is GRE system library. GRE system library meaning Java Runtime Environment System Library. Okay, and it has many jar files. Okay, and we have source folder, and inside the source folder we create Java package, and inside the package or packages, we create Java classes. So there can be multiple packages. In one package, there can be also multiple classes. In the last tutorials, we already learned how we can create Java class. Let's first create Java package. Go to new, then click on package. In package name should be always in small cap. I will name it com.java syntax. Okay. Then click on finish, and Java package is there. Java package. Package is nothing but just a folder that can contain multiple classes. And we know class contains multiple can be instances or properties or methods. It can actually contain instances, fields, properties, and methods. Okay, so let's create a Java new file. Okay, go to Java class. Okay, we are creating class. I name it Java syntax. Name of the class is Java syntax. Okay, and extension should be .java. We are not putting it because automatically there will be Java syntax.java. And I will check in public static void main. This is the main method, and this is the entry points in Java programming for every Java program. Okay, and we see public is a keyword. This is access modifier. Okay, public means anyone can access the properties and methods inside this class. It can be from same package, or it can be from different packages. It can be from also different classes. Okay, and this class also keyword to create new Java class, we have to give it a name Java syntax. It can be actually any name, and it should start with capital cap. Okay, then curly braces, opening curly braces and closing curly braces. The scope of this class is from opening to closing curly braces in between. And inside the class, we have a Java main method. It has also public keyword, and this is access modifier. And static means it is not an object to class, but it belongs to class. Void meaning it will not return any value. Okay, void means it cannot return any value. And main is a method, okay, that will actually execute our Java program. And opening curly braces and closing curly braces indicates the scope of this main method. Inside the main method, we will be writing our Java codes, okay? I just press Ctrl D, and unnecessary codes get deleted, okay? And we use this double slash when we want to keep a note explain our codes for other fellow developers so that it doesn't get executed. Like I can say uh, Java syntax, okay? And Java syntax, uh, actually, it is really important to understand Java syntax because it will help us to understand the complete Java programming uh, from scratch. If we understand Java syntax well, it will help us to understand the upcoming tutorials completely. Okay. In the previous class, we created Java file, and today also we created Java file Java syntax.java. Java file in the name of the class will be same as Java file. Java class name will be same. Then curly braces, opening curly braces, and here is closing curly braces. Inside Java class, there will be Java main method, and inside the main methods, we will be coding. Okay, and print LN means print line. This is inbuilt method, and we will be using this method to print our statements or whatever we want to print in the console. And to print it, we have to use system class. System is a class. Then dot out dot println. Okay. Now just type here hello Java engineers. Okay. Then just right button click anywhere in this canvas and go to run as and click on one Java application. It will execute our program, hello Java engineers. Okay, then just you can type CSO, then control spacebar. If you are using MacBook, it should be control spacebar also. Okay, and system.out.println will be auto completed. Okay, I love Java because it is easy. Okay, so actually you can print as many as lines, and you can also execute this program, Java program, from here. Run Java syntax and click on OK, and it gets printed. We can see output CSO, and I can say Java software engineers make $100,000 per year. Okay. All right. And we can also click on this drop down and go to run as Java application and click on OK. And the program has been executed. Okay. So 3 ways I have shown you how we can run Java. And if you double click here, it will be expanded. And if you double click again, it will return to the previous smooth. And you can also execute from Java file. Okay, just right button click on Java file, then go to run as and click on Java application. All right, and you can also use shortcut. Shortcut is Alt plus Shift plus X J. All right, Alt Shift X. All right. You can go back, clicking on Control plus Z. Okay. All right. That's the syntax of Java programming. It's really very important to understand how the Java syntax is if you want to understand Java programming well. Okay, so that's all for today. And in the next uh, tutorial, we will be discussing on Java comments. Okay, we come to know single Java comment, single line Java comments, and we will also familiar with multi-line Java comments. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. And we will be continuing this tutorial up to object-oriented programming. If you are interested to learn more about Java programming, we have also paid course on Java. Please feel free to get enrolled and learn complete Java programming from scratch. Okay, I will give you the link here. The link actually navigates you to Udemy Java programming course. Thank you.